We solve aerodynamics problems using supercomputers. So we run simulations of different setups with, like, for example, we could do a wing flying at Mach 6. What's the pressure going to be, the temperatures and all that, to see all the engineering properties that you would need to know to solve that problem. So we have these amazing computing facilities that I didn't even know was here in Chattanooga, because the only other way to solve those problems are to go to a multi-million-dollar testing facility like the one that I'm going to go work at Arnold Air Force Base. You can come to UTC, get a great fundamental education. You're going to get the Hope Scholarship. It's going to be very affordable. You get to stay in town, and you're going to have a lot of the same opportunities.
I'm doing research on transportation engineering. These things also kind of include virtual simulation of traffic, which can get us, playing with the traffic in a virtual world and apply it on the real world.
I was originally in theater, and I love designing things and creating things, and I decided to try something completely different. I was like, I think I could be a mechanical engineer. I'm gonna try that. So that summer I applied to go back to school, and here I am. I am doing research in computational fluid dynamics, or CFD, and specifically the hypersonics. Professor had asked me if I was interested in going to graduate school. If I did research, they would pay for it, so I wouldn't have to worry about paying the cost of school. Talk to the professors. Whoever is your mentor is going to be huge, and that's going to make a big difference. Then you can see if they have funding and do research with them, and it's been a great experience, and I've learned so much.
My research has been mostly in physical layer security with radio communications. We're working on allowing that to be a much more secure deployment. Every time we publish a paper, it's just a huge, amount of, joy that I get from knowing it's like, okay, this is actually a substantial contribution that we're doing. Like, we're actually doing important work here. I chose UTC initially because it was, I live here in Chattanooga, and it made sense, to go to college here. And then I chose the master's because I met Dr. Rising over in electrical engineering. You get to have a lot more communication with the actual PhD professor here at UTC.
I'd always found material research in engineering to be, I've always had a desire to be involved in it. I didn't think I would find that here, but I found some pretty fascinating materials research here, and it kind of has kept me here. I was amazed at the work being done, and I was also amazed at the interaction with the professors. Kind of probably one of the unique aspects to UTC is being able to interact with PhDs, doing the research, being in their classes, having one-on-one conversations with them, and then my particular advisor, Dr. Sungwoo Yang, doing everything he could for you. It was pretty special.
I've never felt stifled that I went to a smaller school, maybe, because I still have tons of opportunities. I mean, I actually had to turn 2 other job offers down.
I really think it's a great opportunity, especially if you want to go into design or research.
We have a pretty good open door policy here, so go talk to the professors here in the field that you want to go to.